Hello everyone, Justin here, and today is our third part for drawing bubble letters. And let's go ahead and get started with the letter L. And so we've got our first upright stem here, or stroke, and then the arm that goes to the right here. And again, we just make it kind of bulbous, nice and fat, both of them meeting right here where there's a wrinkle. Let's draw the M. So we've got 5 strokes here. So let's just go ahead and make this left one somewhat tilted, and let's draw the one on the right tilted as well. And we'll go ahead and draw another nice curve down here at the bottom, meeting up with the wrinkles right there. And so we've got this one arm here and one arm here. So let's make those nice and curved, meeting in the middle to our wrinkle, and finish it off. Alright, let's draw the N. You could also make the upright stems here more vertical, whatever you'd like. So let's draw the N. Let's draw this one a little bit more vertical, the left stroke going over to the diagonal stroke, and you can make these as bulbous as you'd like. And here I could have made it even more rounded, but that's just how I ended up doing it. Let's go ahead and draw the O, and you can make this as circular as you want, or oval, or uneven. And what I'm going to do here is, you could just draw like a small opening in here, but let's just separate this into 4 parts. So let's draw a curved line here and a curved line here at the lower right, and connect those with a couple curved lines, and a couple more wrinkle lines here. And it looks as if we've got 4 sections that are kind of impinging the center area. Let's draw the P. So make the left stem fairly bulbous here at the lower part, because it's going to meet the bowl or the curved section over here. And we'll just go ahead and make that nice and round to meet up with the original line. And here I'm going to make it, instead of 4 parts, I'm going to make it 3. So let's go ahead and draw this section here, kind of curving inward, and then this section curving like that, and then finally this part. Okay, and let's draw one more. Let's draw the Q. So here I'm just gonna make it again nice and round, and I'm gonna draw this part that comes out and make that quite round. And just like the others, we've got these wrinkle lines coming off here. And just like the O, let's go ahead and separate the different parts with some curved lines, and that's our Q. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start drawing in the sides and shading them in. Check out the first video as far as tips on how to do this. And definitely feel free to personalize it the way you'd like. There are no rules here. Whatever you like is good enough. Okay, so the inside here, there's going to be a little bit of shadow here as well, or you can see the depth of this part of the O. So that's why I darkened that area. And finally, let's go ahead and add some highlights. Just an oval at the upper left and a teardrop shape. going away from it. And I'll add another highlight here for this arm, and maybe a small one right there. And over here. And notice here I just drew another oval. You can vary it however way you'd like. And like I showed before, you could just draw a line here that's a little bit thicker, closer to your main highlight, and that would also work. And I'm just gonna go ahead and try doing that here as well. So just add another line just like that. Alright, so that's it. Those were the letters L, M, N, O, P, and Q. And I'll work on the other letters at the next video. Thanks a lot, and make sure you check out that first video for more tips. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.